Hi everybody, question number 2352, equal row and column pairs. Medium question. Given a zero-indexed n by n integer matrix grid, return the number of pairs such that row Ri and column Cj are equal. A row and column pair is considered equal if they contain the same elements in the same order. An equal array. For example, 277 is equal to 277 here. So that's how you say it's equal, because the array is equal. Okay. The first thing we want to do is find all the rows and put them inside a dictionary. And so we say rows equal to an empty dictionary for I in grid. Actually, for row in grid, then the other thing here is that so we want to say if row not in rows, then basically say rows of row equal to 1, else rows of row plus equal to 1. But this is wrong because row is an array, is a list, and it's mutable. And we need to change it to a tuple. So basically we want to say t equals to tuple of row. And then change here to t, change here to t, and change here to t. So when we're also finding out the columns, we have to do the same thing. We have to convert it to a tuple. If we print this out, print rows, we have something like this. 321 to 1, 176 to 1, 277 to 1. Okay. The next thing we want to do is we want to loop through the I and j's for I in range. Okay, so we want to say len of grid equal to n. It's an n by n, so len of grid is, this is I, by the way, n. And then for j in range n. But here we basically say calls equal to nothing. We want to make an array, and then say calls dot append grid. So which one is the column and which one is the row? So j is the row, basically. It changes here, here, and here. And I is the column. So j is the row and I is the column. And at the end here, t equal to tuple of calls, because we want to convert to a tuple. And if t in rows, if we find the t in rows, what do we do here? We define a count equal to 0 here, and we say count plus equal to rows of t, because there might be like 2 columns here, 2 rows here, like 2422 and 2422 that are like, these are the same, and 2422 maps to 2, so it adds 2 to here. At the end we return the count. Return count. Let's run this and see if this works. Yes, and Yes, so that was the answer to question equal row and column pairs.